Greetings to the world here. This is okay, Rasmus and talking. I'm back again with casual. Another reaction as usual. One of them got yeah, this is okay, Rasmus and talking. Do we not go there? Come again, you're Root Kid Venḓa. Banyana. Actually, this thing is it's a cover. You're tracking it with Banyana. La Banyana, la Banyana, Baklauba is this. Vakanganyisa vazana vanamkala vajena matoni avanone vajena matoni vatoni kanganyisa, yeah. And what I hear about them, they will come to you always when they see that, yeah, this guy is popping. That's why it's an advice, man. It's an advice even to like new kid, like Root Kid. Please, boy, watch out. So this track is known as Banyana. Don't remember in the cover, you know, cover track yeah, DJ Maporisa. Yeah, DJ Maporisa. So without any waste of time, let's get into it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So you know we are heading to 1,000 subscribers. Kind of subscription. That's giddy, but I'm gonna so I read for him for it or refer a review. Nikuafa mapungo pamkili kiti ndono jena vukati ma like actually it reminds me of those verse zena ndikodziamba una hii video inuni inyanda chikwamba nga line ya bomo na misofel. Just go and check this video, please. Just go and check this video, like introduction yawe, like itonkumbudza zvona ndichikwamba nepo pamkili kiti ndono jena vukati ma. It's a combination of like pamkili kiti ndusokobverera mtu asingohamba like usokotobanepo. When you check out to hey visual, please go and check it out. Okay, pamkili kiti ndona jena vukati ma nigga pamkili kiti ndabanda wabi what's it gonna be pamkili kiti. Okay, vayamfuna vayafuna kana vafuni ndikakati ndifuna zvisikule ndoskima kakati ma like bro abe aramtwarni nichifuna kana nisafuni. It's another way of saying, bro, it's beyond your control whether you like it or not. Una vatu vanje vane vatuma vachimuvenga this guy kid is not that dope, man. Vatu ngorodadzvanga chipidi chawe. Listen to his content, bro. Listen to his content. So apana urumini ndifuna zvisikule ndrini ndindira yombormini Chivenḓa, man, Chivenḓa. Muva, mumi, lima, chizvi. So, kakati, upi kakati chisikule. Zvino huko veiwa chifani chawe kavunji. Chezila zitangi nyarini chisikule. Zvisikule. So, ndifuna zvisikule. Ndoskima kakati ma. Like, to get that chisikule, chikavuti, zvisikule, likavunji. So, ndifuna zvisikule ndoskima kakati ma. Okay? Bayazdiva ndidipa sadik ndichanga chifani ma, like literal meaning and figurative meaning ndidipa sadik. Actually, this is the introduction I said. Like, this is the very same thing I said. Ka introduction ya where a freestyle to Dex. Yeah, Cairo. Out in there, in the punchline. No, why did you go out? Kana kutukunyana kusekene. Mara zuneko hwala bana mkana ndi muhwalo mulo anega manda. I'm talking about the guy and about on the punchline. It's netty hard, sadic. Punchlines are the hard sadic. Yeah, chifanisha wendi sadiki. That's why I did call it punchlines are the hard sadic. So without any waste of time, this track is known as a freestyle to die. That's it. You saw it. The deeper sadic the changa chifani ma. Damn, man. I'm going to the top. Check anima dance. Check anima dance. mufarisa bodelo ukono hands ndorinda bekara ni vanamba vabvisa banzi anango bekara nopinda kombura chimwe chamusi cheprimary ayo ninodhisa yobe yawana nyana tendaro yodhisa zviliwa chikoloni. Damn man. Oh flip. Uri ufuna the goat ngori hela video una mbudzi like damn man. Unengwe freestyle ino the goat ne. So uri ufuna the goat ngori kela video una mbudzi like ndichigoya na chino chakorini I'm the goat like such content ne. So ene uri ufuna the goat never ndi mbudzi. So man, no man, it's too much man. Uri ufuna hela video ngori ina mbudzi ndi goat like greatest of all the time. I never the root kid Venḓa. So uri ufuna hela video ngori ndi khayo. It's another way of saying huna mbudzi ngangi as mbudzi ya udodo yofini mbudzi badi. No, ndi mbudzi ya uri ni una out greatest of all the time. Damn man. Nobona ma dance, chekani ma dance. Afi uri ufunesa mini ngori ndichimisa I like I abbreviation ya iPhone like I damn man. Bro, unayong'alani yadhorini machero ndi Sunday vafunzi mini una dzimwe freestyle dzine adzidropa nga Sunday dzinofi Sunday service right. So zvino hopfini ende nachekai hopfini machero ndi Sunday so hapano nichirumini namusi ndimugibela vakombudzisa uri ndobukiwa guy like damn man namusi ndi Sunday ndi Saturday nobukiwa guy even though machero hu Sunday damn man. Manga. Like Helman Mkelele, one of the greatest player of all the time as well, man. Like Helman Mkelele. Oh, we are Pirates, yeah. Helman Mkelele. Actually, no, man. Content ya dope, man. Helman Mkelele. Actually, you know, na bomuno we bangayo ne. Yeah, this spend cash over Josu Sikanjere. I mean, like a Helman Mkelele, yeah, something like that. Damn, man. My dance. Just the boys. Kabiti ndibotonga mafebi anjerere mamgan. Why? Cause we're gonna beat so mafebi anjerere. We all know stories anjerere, man. So that's why children kabiti ndi gonya sama febi anjerere. Havana mtu kana mtia na cheka background upon ombo there. So children ndia gwaza kana ndia thava. Mara ukwambua uthawa like uthawa. Kabatawa. So RKV Arigima Madens Arigima RKV just check out my dance. Check out my dance. No, this guy is dope, man. Road Kid Venḓa is the future. Actually, he was the past, he is the future, and he will be. No, so no question. No, he was the past, he's the present, and is the future of fan rap hip hop. Without any loss of time, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Cause peace out. I'm out here all the way from Africa, South Africa, Western Cape, Cape Town, casual.